It's an odd focal length, Leica badge but not Leica built, but it is made in Japan and is a solid little lens for everyday use. But is it still worth the premium? This is the Panasonic Lumix G Leica DG Summilux 15mm F1.7 aspherical. Let's take a look at it. The lens offers a 30mm full frame equivalent f1.7 to f16 with a 20cm minimum focus distance. Around this side you'll see an autofocus manual focus switch at £449. Is it worth it? Let's look at a few more samples and continue the conversation. This lens definitely feels solid, looks cool for what it's worth, and is top notch in use. The aperture ring feels good, and you could happily leave it f1.7 if that's your thing. Now, the 30mm focal length, it's a little bit odd, but it works well in the streets and in day-to-day random shooting, though it's not necessarily there for normal portraits, you know, but there's no reason to not use it for a few less traditional shots, especially around the streets. I'm definitely repeating myself on these micro four thirds videos, but the autofocus is super fast. There's nothing more to report. It just works superbly. Now, the lens is focused by wire, and manual shooters should be happy, and you've got a little tight autofocus to manual focus switch right there if you should choose to go into that mode. Pretty cool. Now, you'll get the very best IQ by stopping down a touch, but it is excellent overall. There's no real chromatic aberration. There's a bit of distortion if you're shooting something critical like architecture, but in post, that's very easy to correct. Even for an almost wide angle lens, the out of focus areas are pleasant. The 20cm minimum focus distance makes it extra useful as a day-to-day walkabout lens. It looks cool, works excellent, and could last you the whole day on a day trip shooting, for example. But would you pay £449 or so for this? Well, that as usually is a personal thing. It's not dirt cheap, but it is worth it. And if in doubt, I've seen them secondhand for around $299, $315, which might well make it a steal. there's no real negative with this thing, and there's no direct comparison out there. Now, you might prefer the 17mm from Olympus to get you more suitable portraits as well as walkabout shots. Panasonic users have said that these lenses tend to render the colours better for them in video mode. I think this is a cracking lens, and out of the two, I would definitely choose this. It just feels better to me, and that IQ anyway, it's almost flawless. Now, for some, the focal length might be a little bit uninspiring, but then that's why we've got so much choice as M43 shooters. But have you used this lens? As we said before, what other micro four thirds lenses should we feature on the channel? Let us know in the comments below, subscribe, and I'll see you there.